What's up, everybody? This is Lamine from InvestingSimplified.net. Today is Sunday, June 20th, 2021. Today, we will take the opportunity to analyze Apple stock and the reason why we think Apple is on its way to $150 or possibly higher. Looking at the daily time scale, 2-year history, since Apple bottomed in March of 2020, it increased about 160%. Apple peaked in September of last year and it formed a market structure which is bullish to us. This is a rising wedge. We tested the upper trend line twice and the bottom trend line multiple times, about 5 or 6 times now. Recently, Apple just tested support level, came right around the 200-day moving average. Apple bounced and it looks like the trend potentially short term has shifted from down to up because Apple just broke out of the most recent resistance level. It started to backtest that zone on Friday due to the overall equity market pulling back. So this is our strategy on Apple, and we expect that Apple should start to approach this 150 level. Let's take a look at the 1-year look back with a different market structure. Looking at the 1-year look back of Apple, and the reason why we are quite confident the likelihood of a breakout to the upside is the market structure. This is a symmetrical triangle and the lines are converging, indicating to us that the likelihood of Apple exploding to the upside is highly likely. One, since this all-time high back in January, the 145.09, this high connected with the most recent high. So looking at this low in March compared to the most recent low, as you can see, we are in a symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangle doesn't tell us which way market is going to break out. However, looking at the technicals here, since Apple just broke out of this most recent high right around the 50-day moving average, and it appears to be back testing, gave us confidence that now, shorter term, Apple has made higher high and a potential higher low is coming, indicating to us that once market build up some momentum here and start to clear this trend line, it's going to be a very quick move, possibly towards the 150. However, if one is not comfortable buying Apple here and you want to make sure you get the confirmation, although you will be buying it at a higher price, one can wait for Apple to break out of this trend line here, then back test, and then ultimately go long and expect Apple to approach the 150 level or even higher. So these are the two scenarios that we have, and we will be adding Apple to our portfolio next week once we find a low in the market, indicating to us that the likelihood of the overall equity market moving higher is strong. Then we will definitely add Apple to our portfolio. These two indicators at the bottom here, this is the implied volatility and historical. Our strategy will be to add some option strategies because implied volatility is so low. On Friday, it closed at 26.58%, very close to the 2-year historical low, indicating to us that buying call options or some other strategies will have a much better return compared to selling options here. So with that, we hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please subscribe, like, and hit that notification up button. Once we upload our videos on YouTube, you'll be notified. Please note, this is not a recommendation. It is our opinion, an opinion only. If you are not sophisticated with the financial market, please consult your financial advisor or subscribe to our premium content. With that, we hope you all have a wonderful Sunday. Bye for now.